In this video, we will show you how to replace your driver's side inner fender liner on this Chevy Silverado. This will be located inside of your front wheel well. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Make your way under the hood. Along the driver's side, you're going to find your master cylinder and your fuse box. We're looking for the wiring harnesses. There's going to be a couple of them that are held to the inside fender liner. To dislodge these, you can use a small prying device such as a trim tool or even a screwdriver if you need to. Go ahead and pop that out of place. Once you've made your way from there, we're going to make our way up along the other side of the master cylinder here. There's another part of the wiring harness held in place. We'll just go ahead and take hold of this one and give it a little tug. At this point, you just want to double check everything on the inside here to make sure nothing else is mounted to the inside fender liner. Once you've done so, let's safely raise and support the vehicle. Once you've safely raised and supported the front of the vehicle, you should find that you have a whole bunch of clearance inside of the front wheel well so you can gain access to that fender liner. To remove the fender liner, you're going to find that you have several push clips to remove. We'll use a trim tool for this. Start down along the front corner here. As you remove these, just give them a quick inspection. You will be reusing them. That one broke, so we'll be replacing it. You'll find that some of the push clips, you have to remove the center to unlock them. Once you've done so, you can remove the outer portion. As we make our way towards the center, we'll pause and leave this one in. Continue towards the rear. Right along this area, you're going to find that you have a small metallic hooked area. Just go ahead and gently pry that apart. Make sure you're holding onto that fender liner. We'll remove our final push clip here. Let's get this out of here. There it is, friend. It's time to install our inside fender liner. Let's take this and put it in position. Starting from the center, we'll be putting in our push clips. Get this aligned as close as possible to where it needs to be. Making our way towards the front, we'll make sure that we clip this area together. Make sure everything's secure under here and make your way back up under the hood. Under the hood, we'll be looking for those two wiring harnesses. We want to make sure that they are secured. Just go ahead and find the mounting hole for them. Press in the connector. Make sure it's secured. There's one. The other one's right up here. This one on here. There. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. After you're done that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and listen for funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.